Hi everyone, I'm Josh, and I wanted to do a blog, but I currently have the hiccup, so it's gonna be a little hard, but so you see what I mean. My birthday's coming soon, and you're all invited, I guess, and I had an okay day today. My dog inside, so yeah, I like pie. Lots and lots of pie. Pie is very nice. We should put sauce on it. Go Tigers. I got the Ham Jet Pizza. 2 oranges. Today's a good day. I'm setting up friends from school. Want to come to my party. Uh, Hiccups are my best friends. I'm waiting for some. Haven't had some in like 3 weeks. So, oh yay, the hiccups passed! Hurrah! Hooray! A lolly doody day! Hey! The hiccups passed! I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to Big Boy to celebrate. See you later.